And the cold itself is miserable. We know that. But misery then can turn dangerous if you don't realize it, and then suddenly it's too late. Our Brooke Katz live tonight with advice on how to not only conserve heat, but also a real-world decision on when it's time to leave and find some real warmth.
Yeah, and Doug, that's a decision a lot of people are facing. In the past 2 days, MedStar has treated 11 patients for carbon monoxide poisoning. A couple have been critical. 2 were children. They've also had 19 hypothermia calls in just the last 24 hours. And in many of those cases, people were not outside, but inside their own home.
We respond to about 13 or 14 calls an hour. The last 2 days, we have been averaging 24 to 25 calls per hour.
Medics busy with calls as those in the dark battle the brutal cold.
Some people have been without power now for 35 plus hours. I mean, the temperatures inside their home are now in the 50s, even in the 40s in some cases. At what point do people need to consider just looking for someplace else?
Generally speaking, once your temperature in the house gets to be, 50 degrees or lower, you really need to leave.
Matt Zavatsky with MedStar says if you lose power, don't use any type of combustible energy inside your house.
So that starts with vehicles, but that also includes generators. It includes, believe it or not, people are using barbecue grills to try and keep warm and burning charcoal, and that gives off a lot of carbon monoxide.
The first symptom is developing some mild headache, and early symptoms include developing nausea and having a sense of unease and not able to focus.
I spoke with Dr. Srikant Nanapanini with Baylor Scott and White Medical Center Grapevine. He says carbon monoxide poisoning isn't the only concern. Hypothermia can affect anyone when the temperatures are this low, especially the youngest and oldest among us.
Your body first responds by shivering, and for some time you can develop some heat by shivering, but after a while you can't, the shivering response is lost, so you start to again become very fatigued. You start to the brain starts to slow down.
So with these symptoms, he says you really do need to seek medical help. So one other thing that I've seen a lot of people posting, they're warming up in their cars. Zavatsky said do not do that. Even if your car is parked in the driveway and not in the garage, the exhaust system is designed for the car to be in motion. So carbon monoxide can still seep in even if you're outside. Couple of unique ideas. He says if you have a tent, put one up in your living room. They can actually conserve heat, especially body heat. Use sleeping bags if you can, double up if you have to. And if you're using your fireplace, warm up some water bottles and put those in your sleeping bag with you or underneath the blankets. That can help give you a little bit of extra warmth tonight. Doug?
I had not heard the tent inside the home. It's interesting. Brooke, thank you. Good ideas.